Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing the Gold Emperor EA for MT4 and MT5, and this is a free expert advisor currently available on the MQL5 Marketplace from developer Thomas Vanek, with version 1.0 listed at the time of recording. Right away on the marketplace page, the EA is presented as an algorithmic trading strategy designed specifically around XAUUSD. All right. So gold is clearly the primary focus here. The historical testing mentioned on the page was performed on the M30 time frame, covering a very long period, from April 2004 to April 2024, which gives a much broader view of historical behavior across different market environments. Now, as I scroll through the details here, the developer mentions that there is no need to manually configure parameters because the settings are already optimized and prepared for trading out of the box. There is also a broker recommendation for RoboForex due to time zone compatibility. Now, moving into the strategy information, the page actually provides quite a detailed explanation of the entry and exit logic. Long entries are connected to conditions involving the 50 period EMA using median price data, while short entries are based on the opposite directional behavior. Now, the EA also uses ATR-based stop loss calculations together with trailing stop management. One thing that stands out here is that the system avoids martingale, grid, and scalping approaches, which is clearly stated by the developer. Instead, this is described as a longer-term strategy that only takes a small number of trades each month while attempting to focus on higher quality opportunities. Looking further into the features and settings, the EA supports both fixed lot sizing and free margin percentage management. It also includes stop loss protection on trades, Friday closing functionality at 21 o'clock, right? And allows weekend trading while disabling daily exit conditions. Now, moving into the historical backtesting section, this is where it becomes important to evaluate how the EA behaved throughout the full testing period rather than focusing only on isolated profitable phases. All right, so I have already downloaded the expert advisor. We're just going to be heading over to the strategy tester right now on MT5, and we're going to be testing the Gold Emperor EA on gold XAUUSD on the M30 time frame. All right, so now let's just select the Gold Emperor. This is XAUUSD, and we're going to be using the M30 time frame. We're going to be testing from the beginning of this year till date, so we can get reasonable data for the back testing. And as for the delays, we are working with the last ping to the server, and yep, we are going to start the test right away. All right, so that we can see how the EA performed over the space of about 4.5 months, roughly 4 months and a week plus. All right, including weekends. Okay, even though trades do not occur during the weekends. All right, so in about a minute's time now, we're going to have the results of the back testing. And first of all, we're going to go through the charts together, just look at a couple of trade history and analyze from there, compare with what we have on the MQL5 Marketplace, and then we also move to the results and see how the EA actually performed. All right. So just a few more seconds. Okay, so now we have the chart, right? And when reviewing the historical chart activity, well, so far, you will notice that the system appears relatively selective with entries. You can see I'm still looking for I'm still looking for the entries, right? So it's relatively selective with entries, which aligns with the developer's description of a long-term trading approach. And then remember that there is also a trailing stop management and ATR-based stop placement, also suggesting the strategy is attempting to adapt position management to market volatility rather than using completely fixed behavior. Well, since the historical analysis that, based on the information we have at the marketplace page, since the historical analysis, spans roughly 2 decades of market data, it does provide a broader perspective on how the EA reacted across different gold market conditions over time. But even with that, I'll still recommend running additional historical testing yourself, especially with different broker feeds and spread conditions, so that you can get, a better evaluation, right? You can actually better evaluate consistency and execution sensitivity. Okay. But let's just quickly look at the results though. We can see that there were only 16 trades taken out of the about 4.5 months that we did the back testing on. And we can see that the profit made was just $319.3, just a little above 10%, from the initial deposit of 3,000 US dollars. And we can see that out of the 16 total trades taken, 6 were short trades with a 66.67% win rate, and 10 were long trades with a 60% win rate. So, well, the win rate is not bad. Okay, the win rate is okay. And then we can also see that the largest profit trade was $389.1, and the largest losing trade was $500.5. This tells me that the risk to reward ratio is not good. And that is also verified in the average profit trade being $174.48, and the average losing trade to $237.58. So obviously the risk to reward ratio is bad. Okay. If you decide to test this EA personally, it's always important to optimize carefully and compare results across different conditions, because historical testing performance can still vary depending on lot sizing, broker execution, slippage, spreads, and market volatility. Overall, the Gold Emperor EA comes across as a structured long-term gold trading system with detailed entry logic, trailing stop management, and a relatively transparent strategy explanation directly on the marketplace page. As always, proper testing and careful risk management are still essential before considering any live trading usage. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.